How to add an auxiliary bus track for multi-effects in Logic Pro X. First of all, why to use it? Let's say you want to have a reverb and you know you're going to use that reverb on a lot of these elements. You can apply a bus channel to have a send going to a reverb and not have 10 instances of that reverb. This used to matter a lot more to me. Now computers can handle a heck of a lot more than they used to. And all these effects I have going on, I can have twice as many with twice as many layers, 3 times, 4 times, maybe as many before I cap out. Before we'd cap out easier. So in your mixer view, we're going to go to options, create new auxiliary channel strip. You'll notice it adds a strip over here. Right away, we'll just go and add a reverb, just to give you guys the quickest example I can give you. And now while I'm on my mic channel right now, I can already simply go into here, go into my sends, go into my bus and go to 4. So now as I'm talking and turn the volume up on this, it's going to start enabling the reverb. Alternatively, I can leave that on low and simply use this over here and it'll start enabling the reverb. So typically you'll want to leave this at 0 and then utilize your actual knob here to apply it to whatever channel you want to apply it to, because some will only need a little bit and some, like let's say if you're using a heavy guitar, wow, wow, wow. sorry. You get it though. That's how and why to add an auxiliary bus channel to your tracks in Logic Pro X for multi-effects. And you can add as many effects here as you want. And you can add as many of these as you want. Add another auxiliary channel strip and have that for your echoes. Add another one, have that for your distortion, etc., etc. Or you can do what we do lately, which is just be sloppy and hope your computer can handle all this and do it this way. All right, next lesson.